Hey guys, Alex Green here, back with another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how exactly a sales funnel works. And with that being said, I'll go ahead and hop into the video. Alright guys, so what you're looking at here is a graphic representation of a sales funnel, and I have this here so I can show you exactly step by step how a sales funnel works, and I'll also be showing you a live representation of a sales funnel as well. Alright, so first up you have the opt-in page. This means a person has seen your ad on social media, they've clicked the link, and now they're at the first step of your funnel. This is usually where you have like a free gift in exchange for your visitor's contact information. This could be a number, email address, or your visitor's name. Second up is the thank you page, and this is important because if your visitor reaches this page, this means they are now a lead, which means they were willing to give you their contact information in exchange to learn more about what you have to offer. Third is the official sales page of the product you're promoting. This is where your lead is actually being sold the product. This could be in the form of a video sales letter or in bullet points. Fourth is the order form. Now, this sounds a little self-explanatory, but it can sometimes be a little confusing starting out. So once your lead makes it to this part of your funnel, they're presented with a page where they can enter their credentials to purchase the product you're promoting. But this doesn't confirm that they purchased the product, because anybody can make it to this page and hit the X button. So that doesn't really help when you want to track purchases. The event that takes place here is called Initiate Checkout. It's sort of like an add to cart. With this event, you can view everyone who's made it to this page but didn't go through with the purchase. This can be really effective in your retargeting ad campaigns. Fifth is the order confirmation page. Now, if your lead makes it all the way through your sales funnel to this page, they have successfully purchased the product that you are promoting. This is actually where I placed the purchase event in the previous video where I demonstrated how to install your conversion pixel. Now that we've made it through the graphic sales funnel, I'll go ahead and show you a live representation of a sales funnel currently being used to promote an affiliate offer. But before I do that, I want to show you a very powerful tool that you can use to verify if your pixel event is placed in the right location. Simply go to Google, type in Facebook Pixel Helper, and add it to your Chrome extension. So here we are on the opt-in page of one of my live sales funnels. And like I said before, a person may have seen my ad on social media, they click the link, and now they're here on the opt-in page where in exchange for their email, they get a free meditation. Once they give you their email, they have now became a lead, and they are on the second step of your sales funnel, which is the thank you page or bridge page or pre-sales page, because it's literally 3 in 1. It's thanking them for entering their email in exchange for your free offer, and it's also warming them up to the next page they'll see once they click the call to action on this page, which will land them here on the official sales page of the product. And this is what really confused me when I first started out. I was like, wait, isn't this just taking them to someone else's funnel? No, any person with an affiliate link will redirect to the official sales page, and there's absolutely no reason to try to track your pixel on this page. That brings us to the order form. This is usually covered in bullet points and testimonials to really encourage the visitor to purchase the product that they just saw on the sales page. Now, to verify that your affiliate link is working, you can always check the bottom right corner to see your Digistore username and make sure that that matches with your username in Digistore. Now, this is also where you would set up your Initiate Checkout event. And as I said before, this is really good for retargeting ad campaigns. The reason being is it's basically a lead on steroids. Now, we know that a lead is a person who has entered their personal information, basically letting you know that they're interested in what it is you have to offer. But with Initiate Checkout, it's a person who has already been through your sales funnel. They've seen your sales page, they know what your product is, and they've let you know that they're interested in your product. And there could have been various reasons why they didn't purchase the first time. They could have been short on cash or bad timing, bills are due, etc. But whatever it is, it makes for a really good retargeting ad campaign strategy. So I won't be going over the order confirmation page, mainly because I would have to make a purchase and I'm not. But all you would have to do is fill out the form and hit submit, and boom, you would be on the order confirmation page. And this is so important, why you put your conversion, your purchase tracking pixel on the order confirmation page, because a person can't get to that page without filling out this form. That's how you know a person has purchased the product that you're promoting. Now I'll go ahead and show you how to set up the initiate checkout event and how to use the Facebook Pixel helper to actually make sure it's in the right spot. This is something I didn't do in the last video because I didn't want to make a purchase, but if you want to make a purchase in your own funnel just to further test it, I mean, it works either way. Just follow the exact steps that I'm getting ready to show you. Alright, so before you set anything up, go ahead and click on the Facebook Pixel helper icon in the top right corner and check to see if your Facebook Pixel ID is listed. Chances are that it's probably not. So what you want to do is go ahead and navigate over to your Facebook Business Manager. Select the three bars at the top, and under Events Manager, select Pixels. And if you rewind the video, you'll notice that the pixel ID that I have highlighted wasn't on the order form. So what I'm going to do is click on this pixel and select Setup. Under Setup, select Install Pixel. Once that loads, click Manually Add Pixel Code and go ahead and tap on the blue area to copy. Now you can go ahead and pull out a notepad to go ahead and paste the text that you just copied to your clipboard. And just like in my last video, we're going to go ahead and delete everything outside of the quotation marks. Oops, looks like I missed a piece. All right, next, where I highlight page view, we're going to change that to initiate checkout. All right, copy the text to your clipboard, and next we're going to go over to our Digistore account. Under account settings, go ahead and select tracking. From there, go ahead and select setup new tracking. All right, now you can go ahead and give it a name. We'll just do something random. You can go ahead and unselect all. You only want to select the front end product. Keep it at initial orders, and for add to, make that order form. For tracking type, select tracking pixel, and now we can go ahead and paste the URL that we copied. Once you do that, you can go ahead and scroll down and select saved, and we are done. Now we can go back to the order form and use the Facebook Pixel helper to see if our new changes have been added. And there it goes. You see our pixel ID is correct and initiate checkout has been added. Alright guys, well, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.